Hello my friends, welcome back to AllbyOly Design, where I share alterations, sewing tips and also upcycling wedding gowns into something new. So today we have a dress from 1969 of grandma. So we wanted to redesign it a little bit for her, for the granddaughter who's gonna wear as a second dress. So if you are ready to see the transformation and how we're gonna do it, I am so excited to show it to you. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all what is good. This dress is from 1969. It's grandma dress and we want to redesign it for the wedding. We did the adjustments that we need to do on her, and as you see, this is the look before. We will shorten it a little bit the length, and also we will adjust the princess line, and we're gonna do the modification of the neckline a little lower and remove the lace and shortening the sleeves. This is the look back, and I'm gonna start removing the lace first. To remove the lace was pretty hard because it was sewn with a clear thread, not only on the front but also as a bobbin thread as well. Then I start marking the princess seam and start working on the dress. It took me a little while to remove it, but at the end I did remove very carefully and everything was just perfect. After that, I start working for taking in the princess seam. To transfer the marks that I had on the front, I just put the pin and then I just mark inside on the wrong side. After that, I start working on adjusting the neckline a little lower, so I pinned it, I found the center seam. Then I put pins on exactly line how it's supposed to be, and I cut it a quarter, almost half inch from the line I marked. I cut the fusible 45-degree and added to the edge, so that way our neckline is not stretching out. And from the skirt lining, I created a new lining because it was really uncomfortable for the customer, and adjust all and sew all together. Then when I attach and sew all together the lining, I did pin all around on the sleeve line and then hand stitch it. Then I've just hemmed the lining on the dress. And then after I finish the lining to hem, I remove the lace from the organza because we need to hem the organza part skirt. But I did not like it how it was too close to the lining line. So what I did, I remeasured 1.5 inches from the lining length, and it was much prettier. And last thing, I start to shortening the sleeves. I did mark how long I wanted, but I left a little extra for puffiness to make sure it's gonna be enough length that we need for the sleeve. I did mark 1 inch, and I sew as a roll hem, but at the one edge I did left a little opening because we wanted to use some elastic, and we were gonna insert inside to make sure we have nice elastic on the hand that will hold the sleeve and will create that cute puffiness on the sleeves. When the dress was almost ready, it was time to have fun and apply all the laces that I removed from the dress and also from the hem, and add some extra to see how it will look much nicer. Same thing in the back side, we wanted to put it back just like original the dress was, and I thought I could add some lace on the waist just to give a little accent and a little bit to change the style. After I applied all the laces, I sew by hand all the lace around, and of course I added some teeny tiny pearl beads. Here is the look of new dress which we recreated and transformed into, and at the end of the video I'll show you the pictures how it's gonna look on her. It was amazing. I want to just tell you thank you for watching. Thank you so much for choosing my channel and spend the time with me. Please make sure to subscribe for more. I would like my tutorials to inspire you and others as well. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe for more.